A $2,000 foldable phone deserves more than a case that only looks good on day one, because the wrong choice can affect comfort, protection, and everyday use. Finding the best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases 2026 means comparing designs built for different priorities, from premium style to rugged protection and daily convenience. But with so many cases claiming to protect your foldable, which ones actually preserve the experience of owning such an advanced device without adding unnecessary bulk? Stay with me as we break down the options that truly match your needs, and check the links in the description to explore each recommended case. When a case feels almost invisible during daily use, that can sometimes be its biggest advantage. Taking the number 10 spot, the UAG Magnetic Mouve Ash focuses on keeping the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra comfortable in your hand while adding practical magnetic convenience. Its built-in magnet module works with compatible MagSafe and Qi2 chargers, car mounts, power banks, and wallets, making it easier to create a complete accessory setup around your phone. The translucent PC back and TPU frame provide lightweight protection, while the textured grip helps reduce accidental slips during one-handed use. One thing many buyers overlook is how open hinge designs can preserve the natural folding experience because they avoid adding extra moving components around the hinge area. UAG also includes airsoft corners, raised screen lips, and camera protection to help defend against everyday scratches and impacts. The trade-off is that the open hinge approach leaves less coverage than full hinge protection cases, so users who want maximum protection around every part of the fold may prefer a more reinforced design. For buyers who value a slim feel, magnetic functionality, and comfortable everyday handling, the UAG Magnetic Mouve Ash creates a simple and practical starting point. A premium foldable does not always need a thick protective shell to feel secure. At number 9, the Samsung Carbon Magnet case takes a more refined approach by focusing on lightweight materials, a clean design, and keeping the original Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra experience intact. Its Aramid carbon fiber construction helps resist scratches while maintaining a premium finish that feels natural in your hand. And the slim profile makes carrying the fold throughout the day much easier for users who dislike bulky cases. Built-in magnets improve alignment with compatible wireless chargers and magnetic accessories, adding convenience without changing the simple design philosophy of the case. A useful buying tip is that thinner cases often become the ones people keep installed because they preserve the feel and usability of the phone instead of making it feel oversized. The trade-off is that this lightweight approach prioritizes portability and style over heavy impact protection, meaning buyers who frequently deal with drops or demanding environments may prefer reinforced alternatives. For anyone who wants a premium-looking case with magnetic support while keeping the fold close to its original feel, the Samsung Carbon Magnet case delivers a clean and comfortable experience. Busy routines create unexpected risks, and sometimes your phone needs protection that can handle more than just normal daily use. Coming in at number 8, the SUPCASE Mill-Grade Protection Case is built for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners who want stronger defense, better coverage, and more versatility. Its military-grade construction, full hinge protection, and reinforced corners are designed for demanding situations where lighter cases may not provide enough protection. The included front frames give you flexibility by allowing either clear viewing or privacy protection depending on your environment, which is useful when your routine changes between work, travel, and personal use. The built-in N52 magnetic ring supports compatible chargers and accessories, while the metal ring holder works as both a grip and kickstand for hands-free viewing. A smart buying tip is that interchangeable protection options can be valuable because your needs are not always the same every day. The trade-off is that this level of coverage creates a larger and heavier profile compared with slim cases focused mainly on portability. If your priority is durability, grip, and adaptable protection for your fold, SUPCASE provides a reliable solution designed for tougher everyday situations. A clear case lets you enjoy the design of your foldable while still adding a layer of protection. and that balance is exactly what makes the Ringke Fusion Magnetic Clear stand out at number 7. Designed for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra users who want protection without hiding the phone itself, this case combines a durable polycarbonate back with a flexible TPU frame to create a comfortable hybrid structure. The open hinge design helps maintain the natural folding experience by avoiding unnecessary bulk around the moving area, while the connected two-piece construction helps keep both sections aligned during repeated opening and closing. MagSafe compatibility adds convenience for magnetic chargers and accessories, and the transparent finish allows the premium look of the fold to remain visible instead of covering it completely. A useful buying tip is that clear cases require more attention because fingerprints and marks are easier to notice compared with matte finishes. The trade-off is that buyers searching for maximum rugged protection may want a thicker case with more aggressive reinforcement. But for users who want a clean appearance, magnetic support, and simple everyday protection, the Ringke Fusion Magnetic Clear offers a practical balance. A slim case can still provide meaningful protection when it focuses on the areas that matter most instead of adding unnecessary size. Taking the number 6 position, the Nillkin Shockproof Slim Case creates a balanced option for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners who want durability without carrying a heavy protective shell. Its hybrid TPU and PC construction helps absorb everyday impacts while defending against scratches and minor drops during commuting or travel. The translucent black camera cover is one of its standout features because it protects the lenses while also transforming into a kickstand for watching videos, making calls, following recipes, or handling other hands-free tasks. A helpful buying tip is that integrated camera protection can reduce the need for separate lens accessories while keeping the overall design cleaner and easier to handle. The aerospace-grade Aramid fiber texture adds a premium feel and improves grip, giving the case a more refined experience during daily use. The trade-off is that the camera cover adds a small amount of extra thickness around the rear area of the phone. For buyers who want a combination of slim handling, camera protection, and practical everyday features, the Nillkin Shockproof Slim Case creates a strong middle ground before moving into more specialized designs. A premium foldable case is not only judged by how well it survives accidents, the materials, comfort, and everyday experience often decide whether you actually enjoy using it. Moving into the number 5 spot, the TORRAS Q3 silicone leather case takes a more refined approach for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra users who want protection with a luxury feel. Its organic silicone leather surface replaces the cold touch of traditional hard plastic with a softer texture that feels more natural during long sessions, while the stain-resistant finish helps handle fingerprints, coffee marks, and daily wear more easily. The built-in 360-degree spin stand adds another level of convenience by allowing you to adjust viewing angles for video calls, streaming, work, or hands-free tasks without carrying an additional stand. A useful buying tip is that rotating stands are most practical when they stay slim and fold flat, because larger mechanisms can make a foldable phone less comfortable to carry. Strong magnets and a slim profile help maintain the premium experience while adding useful functionality. The trade-off is that this case is designed more for buyers who appreciate style, comfort, and versatility rather than those searching for the highest level of rugged protection. If you want your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra to feel more premium while still gaining everyday convenience, the TORRAS Q3 silicone leather case creates a balanced and stylish option. The way a foldable phone feels in your hand can matter just as much as the protection around it, especially when you use it dozens of times every day. At number 4, the Pitaka Aramid Fiber Woven case focuses on keeping the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra feeling close to its original design while adding lightweight protection. Built from aerospace-grade Aramid fiber, this case delivers a thin structure with a textured grip that helps reduce slips without making the device feel oversized. Its 0.04-inch profile is especially appealing for users who carry their fold in pockets, briefcases, or bags where extra thickness quickly becomes noticeable. Instead of relying on heavy armor, this design protects important areas while maintaining a cleaner appearance and easier handling experience. A useful buying tip is that raised camera edges can provide valuable lens protection without requiring a large protective frame around the entire phone. The trade-off is that its slim construction is better suited for everyday scratches and minor impacts rather than extreme drop situations where a thicker case would provide stronger coverage. With MagSafe compatibility, premium materials, and a nearly invisible feel, the Pitaka Aramid Fiber Woven case is a strong choice for users who want protection without losing the natural character of their fold. Protection becomes more challenging when a case needs to defend a moving device while still keeping everyday use comfortable. Taking the number 3 position, the Spigen Tough Armor Pro brings a stronger protective approach to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra with a focus on durability and dependable handling. Its reinforced side cover helps protect the hinge area, front panel, and rear section from scratches and impacts caused by daily movement, commuting, and accidental drops. The air cushion technology built into the corners adds additional shock absorption, making it better suited for users who prioritize protection over having the thinnest possible case. A helpful buying tip is that hinge protection should not only cover the folding mechanism but also maintain smooth movement, because a case that interferes with the fold can affect the entire experience of using the phone. MagSafe compatibility adds convenience for compatible chargers and accessories, giving you more flexibility with your setup. The trade-off is that the reinforced construction creates a more noticeable presence in your hand and pocket compared with ultra-thin options. For buyers who want a durable case that balances protection, functionality, and daily usability, the Spigen Tough Armor Pro delivers a reliable solution before the final 2 options take a different direction. The best case for a foldable phone is not always the one with the most layers of protection. For some users, keeping the premium feel, slim design, and original character of the device matters more. At number 2, the Pitaka California Dream Edge case takes a minimalist approach for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners who want premium styling with everyday protection. Crafted from aerospace-grade Aramid fiber, this case maintains a remarkably slim and lightweight profile while adding a textured surface that improves grip during regular handling. Its special edition design brings a unique visual style without overwhelming the clean appearance of the fold, making it a great fit for users who prefer elegance over rugged armor. A useful buying tip is that ultra-thin cases work best when your main goal is protecting against scratches, surface wear, and daily handling rather than preparing for heavy impacts. Wireless charging support adds convenience, while the refined finish keeps the premium feel of the phone intact. The trade-off is that the lightweight construction does not provide the same drop-focused coverage as thicker protective cases designed for harsher environments. For buyers who want their fold to remain slim, stylish, and comfortable while still gaining essential protection, the Pitaka California Dream Edge case offers one of the cleanest premium experiences available. A case can do more than protect your phone, it can completely change how you carry and use your device every day. Taking the number 1 spot, the TORRO leather wallet case stands out as a complete Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra everyday carry solution by combining protection, storage, and premium materials into one design. Made from top-grain cowhide leather, this case delivers a classic look and feel, while the soft microfiber lining helps protect the rear surface of the phone from scratches during daily use. The built-in wallet design allows you to store cards and cash, making it useful for travel, work, or quick errands when carrying a separate wallet becomes inconvenient. Instead of focusing only on reducing thickness, this case adds convenience by combining multiple everyday accessories into a single package. A practical buying tip is that wallet cases are most valuable for users who already carry essentials regularly and want fewer items in their pocket or bag. The stand function adds hands-free viewing capability, while the secure clasp helps keep everything protected while moving around. The trade-off is that the leather construction creates a larger profile than minimalist cases designed around maximum slimness. However, for buyers who want premium materials, practical storage, and a more complete ownership experience, the TORRO leather wallet case earns its place as the top choice in this lineup. For the most well-rounded choice, the Spigen Tough Armor Pro stands out with its combination of durable protection, practical features, and everyday reliability for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra users who need a stronger case without going too extreme. For buyers who want a more premium lifestyle-focused option, the TORRO leather wallet case earns special recognition with its top-grain leather construction, built-in storage, and refined everyday design. These two cases serve different priorities rather than replacing each other. The Pitaka California Dream Edge and Pitaka Aramid Fiber Woven cases are ideal for buyers who want lightweight premium styling, while SUPCASE and UAG are better suited for users who need stronger protection and magnetic convenience. TORRAS, Ringke, Nillkin, and Samsung options provide additional choices depending on whether your priority is comfort, transparency, slim design, or everyday functionality. Links to all featured cases are available in the description below. Choose the case that fits the way you actually use your Fold, because the best accessory is not just the one that protects your phone, it is the one that makes every interaction with it feel better.